Hello students, now we shall look at the problems in operating large wind power generators. So nowadays most of the wind turbines or wind power generators what we have got, they are very large, 1 megawatt and above, almost 2.7 megawatt also you have got plants. And this is not a one unit is, but you will have tens of numbers, even hundreds of windmills in a farm. So first is the location of site. Here in India, in south like Gujarat, in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, lot of wind is available, and thus lot of windmills have already been installed. The most important factor is locating a big site which has a reasonable high wind velocity. Especially Saurashtra and coastal regions in India are promising areas. But in coastal like Goa, Karwar and all, we are yet to see this installation of windmills. Constant angular velocity. A constant angular velocity is a must for generating AC power, and this means very sensitive governing. So based on as we are discussing, there is something called yawing, movement of the nacelle on a horizontal plane, so that the blades can face the wind and generate the maximum amount of power. The third is wind variation in wind velocity. So the wind varies from time to time. Even in a day it varies. Early morning it will be different, then afternoon it will be different, evening it will be. So the wind velocity varies with time, and it varies in direction, and also varies from the bottom to the top of the large rotor, because this large rotor, say 100 meter diameter, 120-meter diameter, because it is at vertical, if you take vertical line, so there is variation in the wind velocity also. So this can, because of this, there is a fatigue in the rotor blades. And need for storage system. At zero velocity conditions, the wind power generator will be zero, and this means some storage has to be incorporated along with the windmill. This actually there is no storage nowadays. All these windmills, they are connected to the grid. So initially some power is required to start, and that is taken from the grid itself. Okay, so there is no question of storage. Strong supporting structure. Since the windmill generator have to be located at a height, the supporting structure will have to be designed to withstand high wind velocity and impacts. This will add to the initial cost of the windmills. So this tower what we have seen, it is not a single piece because that has to be very strong. It is made in multiple pieces and they are bolted at site. Okay, and now good technology is available, so that the strong towers are being built, and we don't have so far come across not even a single problem with the wind turbines, any accidents involving wind turbines. But because of the strong structure, the initial cost of the windmill increases. So almost around 3 to 4 crores per megawatt it is. Occupation of large areas of land. So large areas of land will become unavailable due to windmill gardens. The whole area has to be protected to avoid accidents. So normally what happens, these are very expensive, as I was telling, 3 to 4 crore rupees for 1 megawatt plant. So if you have got 10 plants, turbines means almost 30-40 crores. So very high investment is there. That is why what the people do, they will put the fencing, so that these animals, wild animals and other animals do not come and there are no accidents. So this involves a lot of land, and this land is not available for farming. So these are the problems which we face. Even there are other problems also. See this even transportation, because wherever they are produced, it is not decentralized. It is produced in some centralized facilities in Gujarat. Earlier they were imported and all. So the transportation also, a lot of problems or challenges are there, especially when it is passing through ghats like your Karmal Ghat in Goa, or it is going through Arbail Ghat in Karnataka. A lot of problems with the transportation also. And because they are very huge in size, so we have got long, very extra large cranes and all, which are used for installation. So these are the advantages and disadvantages we have seen, and now we have seen the problems in operating large wind power generators. Thank you.